Look at this data set and observe the difference between rank, dense rank, and row number. How many records are there corresponding to manager ID 101? Sorry, corresponding to department ID 10.
One record.
Mehtab, I want you to be attentive and answer these questions as prompt as possible. Okay?
Okay.
And then it will be Shakib's turn after 5 minutes. Okay?
Okay.
So Mehtab, how many records are there corresponding to department ID 10?
Only one.
How many records are there corresponding to department ID 20?
2.
How many corresponding to 80?
80 is a lot of
34. 37 minus 3, 34. Okay?
Okay.
Be good with numbers. That is your step 1 in learning SQL. Be very good with numbers.
I'll try.
I know you cannot count all of these by looking at them, but you know that there are 37 results.
Yes.
And we have just ruled out 3 of them. So 37 minus 3 is 34. That is possible to figure out in split seconds, right?
Yes.
Good. What is the value of row number corresponding to both of them? 1 and 2, right?
1 and 2.
What is the result of rank? 1 and 2, because both of the salaries are different. One is 13,000 and other one is 6,000. Both are different, right?
Yeah.
So the value of row number, rank, and dense rank will be similar in these cases. Now come to department number 80. Look at these records. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
How many records are there that I have selected?
87.
7 records. Look at the value of row number.
Value of row number
7, starting from 1 till 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So the thing about row number is we'll never skip a single digit, and the sequence will continue until and unless the partition ends. On which key we have created the partitions? On department ID, right?
Department ID, yes.
We have created the partitions on department ID. So the arithmetic sequence will continue until and unless the partition has ended.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
How about rank?
Rank.
Look at these two. Both the salaries are similar.
And rank is similar.
That's why rank is going to be similar for them.
Yeah.
How about the next person? How many people in the same group are earning more than this person? 1 till 6. So 6 people?
Yes, 6 people making more than.
So what will be the result of rank? 7.
7.
What will be the result of dense rank?
5.
The result of dense rank will be 6, because we cannot skip a single digit. That's why it is going to be 6. When we are interested in how many of them are more than me, we'll use rank. When we are interested in what place do I hold for this particular value, then we'll use dense rank. Looking at the dense rank, we can tell that this is the 6th highest salary in this group. Okay?
Yes.
Looking at the rank, we can tell that 6 people are earning more than this person.
Yeah.
Look at these records now. What information do you get from 23?
23. Dense rank is 15. Rank and
my question is what information do you get from 23?
What kind of information?
When I will say that the rank of this particular person is 23, this result is partitioned based on department ID and ordered based on salary in descending order. What information do we get from this? That 22 people are earning more than this person.
Yes.
What information do I get from here?
15.
Then looking at the 15, we get this information that the salary this particular employee is making is 15th highest salary in the same group.
Yes.
I hope you are clear now.
Yes.
Everybody? Is there someone who is having any questions?